Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have downloaded Android Development Tools bundle from developers website by Android. In this tutorial, we will be getting started with our development environment. This is the zip archive that we have downloaded in our previous tutorial. I have decompressed it. It is ADT bundle for Windows. I'm running on Windows 7 64-bit. Let's open this. There will be two folders, Eclipse and SDK. We will create one more folder here for our workspace, and we will name it Workspace. Let's open and copy the entire address. Go back and open Eclipse. Here, this is eclipse.exe, which is the application file executable, and we will run this. It will ask for the workspace, and so that we have copied our workspace address, press OK. It will load all the required libraries, and here we are. This is the welcome screen of our Android development tools. Go to File menu, New, and click on this Android application project. It will ask for some details. Application name. Let us give App 1. The project name and package name will be automatically assigned. Click Next. Create custom launcher icon. Create activity. Create project in workspace. Click Next. We will leave it as it is right now. Click Next. And it asks for our activity, which is our main activity, and we will make it blank activity right now. You can choose from full screen activity, login activity, master details activity, and settings activity. We will choose the blank activity right now and press Next. Activity name, and click Finish. It will create some files and load them for us. It may take some time. As we can see, our application is ready. This is our main activity.xml, and you can see all these controls that we can drag and drop into our activity. We will close this for now, and let's explore our project structure